Hey everyone, in this video we're taking a look at the routing map screen on the Garmin nuvi 2014 Advanced series of automotive GPS. This includes the Garmin nuvi 2689 and 2789 LMT. So we're focusing on how our map screen appears when we're traveling on a route. We need to start by beginning our route. We will select where to, then we can enter in an address, choose something from our POI, that's Points of Interest database, or I'm just going to go into my recently found points and select Garmin USA. When I hit go, it's going to calculate a route to the Garmin USA headquarters. And when it's finished calculating the route, it is going to let us know that tolls are required and ask us if it wants us to select an alternate route that does not require tolls. Now that's all right. We are okay with tolls for the time being. We have different controls here in our map screen. Plus will zoom you in. Minus will zoom you out. Speed in the lower left, that will bring you to your trip computer if you select it. Arrival time in the lower right, you can populate that field with different data if you select it, and then our map tools over here in the lower right corner of the screen. If you touch anywhere on the screen, it's going to give you the option to move around the map. So again, you can zoom out, you can drag around with your finger if you just want to view the route on the map. You can press this arrow in the upper left to switch between 2D and 3D, and you can press the magnifying glass in the upper right to view points of interest, for example, restaurants on the map. These all display as a blue dot. I know I'm going over a lot of this quickly. A lot of this is already covered in another video that we have, which is an overview of the map screen when we are not traveling on a route, so make sure that you check that out as well. Now, if I go back into that screen I was just on where we can move around the map, I have here this icon. Looks like two triangles with a line connecting them. That's going to show us our entire route here on the map screen. Again, this only is an option when you're traveling on a route. We can go back to where we were by pressing that icon again. It's now changed to sort of a circle with a square around it. Backing out again to our map screen along the top, it is giving us our first step, which right now is continue to Surrey Street. When I select that, that's going to give us a lot of great information. So here on this page, we have the total distance of our route, the time it's going to take us, and then we have every single step of our route spelled out for us one by one. And we can actually view details on every single step of the route, and it's showing us the portion of the map over on the right that corresponds with it. On some of these, you're even going to get the photo real junction view, which is available at certain interchanges in major urban centers. Finally, in the upper left corner of the screen, you have this 3-bar menu that will give you the option to view the entire route on the map, which is basically the same screen that we just saw a moment ago. So that's a quick overview of the routing map screen on the Garmin nuvi 2014 Advanced series of automotive GPS.